Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn of ahmeddawn.com. Today I'll show you how to install Amazon App Store on your Windows computer. So the reason you may want to install Amazon App Store on your computer because it gives you the access to some of the Android apps. It's not going to be like, you're not going to see all the apps on Amazon App Store like Google Play because it has very limited apps, but it might have the apps you're looking for. So when I needed the Kindle Android version app, that time I installed Amazon App Store on my Windows Surface Go 3 laptop, and it seems to be working. And I have Kindle Android version on my computer, and this computer you're looking at, this is actually Surface 4, and I haven't installed here yet, but I'm going to try today and show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to search on Google Amazon App Store on Windows. So if you do that, then you're going to see a Microsoft link, which is right here. This is most likely this is going to be your first match. Install mobile apps on the Amazon App Store on Windows. So if you click on it, then it's going to give you instruction actually how to do that. So this is for Windows 11, and if you're looking for Windows 10, then just search for install Amazon app on Windows 10. But my computer is Windows 11, so here it just tells you that it's only available in select countries and regions, so it may or may not work for your country or for your device. And also there's the device requirements, so your device has to meet these requirements. So I'm not sure this device I'm using right now, which is Surface 4, is going to work, but I'm going to just try and see if it works or not. So install the Amazon App Store and get the Amazon app. So I'm just going to click here, and what happens here, that this is going to install an app which is actually the Amazon App Store, and inside that Amazon App Store you'll be able to download on your computer, Windows computer, other Android apps if Amazon App Store has that app. So let's click here and see what happens. So it's saying that this is trying to open Microsoft Store, and I'm just going to open, and then it will take us to the Microsoft Store and see what happens from here. Okay, so it looks like it's asking me to install, so I'm just click here. I'll click here and see if it works. So let's click here, and this is going to install Amazon App Store on this computer. So here I got another message. We need your permission to set up virtualization. This will help install your PC. Okay, that's fine. Set up, and I'm just going to say yes here, and it's just doing some work. And once it's done, then you're going to see a step 3 completed. So just wait a few seconds and see what happens. Okay, so it looks like it's ready, and I'm just going to click here download, and here help improve Microsoft. I'm not going to check that, so just hit download, and again I'm going to click yes, and here looks like it's working. So I have a good feeling that this is going to work here as well. And the reason I want Amazon App Store on this computer is that I'm looking for an app which is Dolby On, a audio recording app. I would like to have that on this Windows computer. I already made a video about this, which this app, and let's see if this works. Okay, so it's asking to restart the PC. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to restart the PC, and then I'll record the next part of the video and touch them together to show you guys that whether this worked or not. Guys, so what happened after restarting, I got something like a pop-up showing me that it was installing the Amazon App Store, and then after that I got this screen, Amazon App Store. So it looks like that it has been installed. So I'm just going to see if it works. So already a customer sign in. Let's click here, and I'm just going to use my login ID and password. So what happens, it's going to tell me to enter the verification. So let's just enter the password, and all the process we need to do. Okay, so looks like we have the App Store, and I'm just going to maximize this, and I'm not going to go to Explore, so let's just get rid of this. I'm not actually seeing anything to get rid of it. Okay, so let's say I'm looking for an app, and I'm just going to search how to do so. So search for Dolby, let's say Dolby On, and let's see if they have this app. Okay, I think this is showing me all the games, so I just want to search for apps, search apps and game. Okay, so looks like they don't have what I was looking for. So I was looking for Dolby. Okay, let's try just Dolby and see if they have it. Okay, so guys, they don't have what I was looking for. However, I'll just see if they have Kindle. Let's see if they have Kindle. Okay, so you can see that they have the Android version of Kindle, and they have some other apps, and you can install these apps. So I'm just going to close this and show you something. So in order to restart Amazon App Store, so you have to click Start, and then you have to just click on Amazon App Store, or you can just search here, or you can just get it from here. So it's just working like another Windows application, and then once you open it, then it's just going to give you the option to download or install anything within Amazon App Store. So basically that's the process you have to go through to install Amazon App Store. For the next video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.